Do you ever look at a maths question and immediately feel nervous, stuck, or overwhelmed? Maybe your mind goes blank during a test, even though you studied the topic before. If that sounds familiar, you might be experiencing something called math anxiety. Welcome back to ZMC's Ultimate Guide to Sec School. Today, we're talking about what math anxiety is, why it happens, and how you can overcome it. Math anxiety is the feeling of stress or fear that appears when you're faced with maths problems. It can happen during class, while doing homework, or especially during tests. Your brain starts worrying about getting the answer wrong, running out of time, or not being good enough at maths. The problem is that anxiety actually makes it harder for your brain to think clearly. When you're stressed, part of your brain becomes busy dealing with worry instead of solving the problem. That's why even students who understand the topic can suddenly feel stuck during a test. But here's the important thing. Math anxiety doesn't mean you're bad at maths. It simply means your brain is reacting to pressure. One way to reduce math anxiety is through practice in low-pressure situations. The more familiar you become with different types of problems, the less threatening they feel. Start with easier questions, build confidence, and gradually move to harder ones. Another helpful strategy is to slow down and break the problem into steps. Many maths questions look intimidating at first, but once you divide them into smaller parts, they become much more manageable. It can also help to write down what you know first, formulas, definitions, or given information. This helps your brain shift from worrying to problem solving. Finally, remember that mistakes are part of learning maths. Every error shows you exactly what you need to improve, and even strong mathematicians make mistakes while figuring things out. Maths is not about being naturally gifted. It's about practice, patience, and learning from each attempt. So the next time you see a difficult maths question, take a breath, start with the first step, and give your brain time to think. You might be more capable than you realize. And I'll see you in the next guide.